Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia, and today I'm going to be teaching you all how to make clear beach slime. Before we get right into this activity, I need you to make sure to smash that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out any of our videos. So without further ado, let's get on to this activity. So the ingredients that you will be needing for this is obviously a bowl and something to mix with. I have a spatula. You can use like a spoon or anything. Some clear glue, some food coloring. I got blue and green. Some seashells. These are fake seashells, and you can also do real ones, but make sure they're like not super pointy or else they could hurt you. And finally, some activator. All this is 1 teaspoon of borax mixed with 1 full cup of warm water. And there you have your activator. So the first step is for you to take your spoon or anything that you're using out of the bowl and open the... Daddy, can you help me? I need you to open the glue. Then you're going to add, I would say, about a full cup of glue. That's about good. And then, once you have your clear glue, you're going to add some food dye. It's so gorgeous. I love that. That's such a pretty green. So I only added 1 drop because I don't want to make it any darker, or else I think it would ruin it. So next you are going to add in seashells. I really want this seashell. This one is flat. I'm just gonna start off with that many seashells. Ooh, I'm gonna add in this yellow one. Then you're going to shake up your activator. And clear slime needs a lot of activator, so you're just gonna put like a lot in. Once it starts pulling away from the bowl, then you can start kneading it with your hands. When your arms start hurting, then that's a sign that you have to knead it with your hands more. And you can put it on the table if you want, but I might keep mine in the bowl for a little bit longer. You know what, I'm just gonna put it on the table because, like, who cares? Get most of this out. Okay, that's good. This might be a long video, you guys, but it will be worth it, I promise you. It's coming together a little bit. All the seashells are just falling out. But isn't this like a nice color? So now it's starting to come together a little bit. It's not sticking to my hands that much. It is sticking to my hands. Whoa. And you always want to get stuff in your bowl, out of your bowl, into your slime, because you do not want to waste it. No, no, no. No wasting. See all the seashells? Gorgeous. So this is what it looks like. It's like a lime green, and it's got some seashells in it. So I really like this slime. I like how it's like the color is amazing. The seashells is nice. The texture is nice. it gives me vibes about the ocean sea. I switch it a little bit slower. The poke is nice. The squeeze is nice. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and make sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of your videos. I love you guys, so bye.